Hello, sophomores. This is the final geometry E-Day. I am going to do examples 1 and 2 for you and then pick 1 or 2 questions to do as well so that you know exactly what we are working on. Okay, so we are talking about arc length and central angles. And if you look at the picture up here at the top, you'll see we are looking at, I don't know what I just did there. Sorry. We are looking at this piece right here. And what that is it's kind of like a piece of cake or a piece of pie. And that is called a sector in a circle. But it's basically, like I said, a piece of pie or a piece of cake. The center angle is this angle right here. And it is named literally just like we name every other angle. So it is angle BCD. Or, depending on which way you like to go, DCB. Either way. And as you'll see right here, it tells you label and color angle BCD. That is your central angle. Okay? And look, it even tells you that right there. Shows how well I read ahead before I start doing these. Then it says label and color the arc, BD. And then it shows you the arc is sort of the edge of that piece of cake right there. You'll have to forgive me, but I have been making birthday cakes, so that is what I think of when I look at these. So a central angle is an angle whose vertex, that's the point of an angle, is on the center of the circle, just like that one. Circumference is the distance all the way around the outside of the circle. It's sort of the perimeter of the circle, if you will. Please excuse my dog in the background. Arc length, that is kind of the perimeter of the outside of that piece of cake. All right? So it says finding arc length by degree. The measure of the central angle is equal to the length of the arc by that angle. So if the arc length is 80 degrees, that's down here, then the measure of angle AOB, that's this, is also 80 degrees. If the central angle is 82 degrees, then arc AB is also 82 degrees. Pretty easy. So let's go ahead and answer these questions. Number 1 says blank is the center of the circle. That's that point right there. So O is the center of the circle. Angle blank is the central angle. So angle blank is AOB. And you have to use all 3 letters and you have to mark the angle symbol. Okay, I'm going to turn my pen off for a second so that I can scroll up. That's not going to let me scroll up. That's obnoxious. It says, number 3 says arc length is subtended by angle. Okay, so subtended means it's cut by, and the arc on this guy is right out here, so it's arc AB, okay? Is subtended by what angle? It is subtended by angle AOB. So AOB. And then down here, number 4 says, what is the measure of angle AOB? Well, you already did it. It's right there. Okay. Example 2, we did that piece together using the 1 through 4 on example 1. Go ahead and answer those 4 questions. And if you have any further questions or if there's a second page to this, which I think there might be, I will be back in a second video. Bye.